Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch on Google Search on desktop. Google Search's SafeSearch ensures you do not see explicit content in your search results. If you'd like to include that content, you'll have to turn off SafeSearch first. We'll show you how to do that on desktop. You only have to disable SafeSearch on one of your signed-in devices. That setting syncs across all your Google devices. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. Let's see how to turn off SafeSearch on Google Search on desktop. To disable Google Search's SafeSearch filter on your Windows, Mac, Linux, or Chromebook computer, first, open a web browser on your computer and visit Google Search. At the bottom right corner of the Google site, click Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Search Settings. You will arrive on a Search Settings page. Here, in the SafeSearch Filters section, toggle off the Turn on SafeSearch option. Save your changes by scrolling down the page and clicking Save at the bottom. Your preferences have been saved prompt will appear. Click OK. And that's it. Going forward, Google will include all kinds of results in your searches, including the ones containing explicit content. I hope you found this video useful. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.